everyone, welcome back to InfraTech Updates. Buckle up because today we are hitting the road to explore one of the India's most game-changing infrastructure projects, the Delhi-Dehradun Expressway. This 213-kilometer marvel is set to slash travel time between Delhi and Dehradun to just 2.5 hours. And it's packed with cutting-edge features like India's longest wildlife corridor. In this video, we'll dive into latest updates, show you the route map, highlight key destinations, and check out the amazing facilities along the way. So let's roll. The Delhi-Dehradun Expressway, also known as National Highway 709B, is a 213-kilometer, 6 to 12 lane, access-controlled highway connecting the national capital Delhi to the winter capital of Uttarakhand, Dehradun. Built under the Bharatmala Pariyojana at a cost of rupees 12,000 to 13,000 crore, this project is redefining connectivity, boosting tourism, and driving economic growth across Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, and Uttarakhand. Let's break down everything you need to know. As of June 2025, the Delhi-Dehradun Expressway is racing towards completion with major milestone already achieved. A 3.5-kilometer section from Datkali to Ashrodi is now open, and the first 18-kilometer stretch from Akshardham to Loni is toll-free, giving commuters a taste of the smooth ride ahead. The entire expressway is expected to be fully operational by July-August 2025, slightly delayed from its initial December 2024 target due to the challenges like land acquisition and environmental concerns. But don't worry, over 75% of the construction is complete. The project is on track for a grand inauguration, likely by PM Narendra Modi and Uttarakhand CM Pushkar Singh Dhami in late July 2025. This project's eco-friendly design and modern infrastructure are setting new benchmarks for highways worldwide. Let's take a look at the roadmap of this incredible expressway. Starting at Akshardham Temple in Delhi, the expressway cuts through Ghaziabad, Bagpat, Barot, Shamli, and Saharanpur in Uttar Pradesh before reaching Dehradun in Uttarakhand. Unlike the old route via Meerut and Muzaffarnagar, this new path shaves off 25 to 70 km, reducing the total distance from 280 km to 213 km. The Delhi Expressway isn't just about getting from point A to point B. It's a gateway to some incredible destinations. Let's explore a few highlights along the route. Delhi, starting point. Kick off your journey at the iconic Akshardham Temple, a cultural gem, or explore nearby markets like Chandni Chowk for a pre-trip shopping spree. Bagpat and Shamli, these towns are rich in history and agriculture. Stop by to experience local culture or grab some fresh produce from roadside markets. Saharanpur, known for its wood-carving industry, Saharanpur is a great stop for unique handicrafts and authentic North Indian cuisine. Haridwar, the 50.7 km spur takes you to spiritual hub of Haridwar, home to Ganga Aarti at Har Ki Pauri and upcoming Haridwar International Airport, perfect for pilgrims and tourists. Dehradun, the final destination, nestled in the Doon Valley, Dehradun offers serene hills, the iconic Robbers Cave, and institutions like the Indian Military Academy. It's a paradise for nature lovers and adventure seekers. A 26-kilometer extension to Mussoorie is planned, connecting to this hill station's scenic beauty along the Rispana and Bilda rivers. The Delhi-Dehradun Expressway is designed with travelers in mind, offering modern facilities every 25 to 30 km. Here's what you need to expect. Planned rest stops with food courts, fuel stations, parking, and restrooms ensure you can refuel and relax. These are perfect for families and long-distance travelers. The expressway boasts solar-powered lighting, rainwater harvesting systems, and noise barriers in residential and forest areas for sustainable and quiet ride. A 12-kilometer elevated corridor over Rajaji National Park featuring 6 animal underpasses, 2 elephant underpasses, and 13 minor bridges ensures safe wildlife movement. It's Asia's longest wildlife corridor, making this India's most eco-conscious highway. With advanced surveillance system, 113 vehicular underpasses, 62 bus shelters, and 29 kilometers of elevated roads, the expressway prioritizes safety and smooth traffic flow. The first 18 kilometers from Akshardham to Loni is toll-free, while the rest uses a closed tolling system with automated deductions based on distance traveled. Current tolls on the old route are around Rs 500, but a toll pass system is under discussion to save cost for frequent travelers. The Delhi-Dehradun Expressway is a game changer for the region. It's expected to boost tourism to Uttarakhand's hill stations, improve logistics for faster goods transport, and spark real estate growth along the route, especially in the villages like Katha, Pali, and Alwalpur. New economic zones, smart cities, and logistic hubs are already in works promising job and development. But it hasn't been all smooth sailing. Challenges like land acquisition, cutting down 7,500 trees in Rajaji National Park, and environmental lawsuits slowed progress. To counter this, the Uttar Pradesh and Uttarakhand forest departments have planned 1,70,000 trees for afforestation, and the wildlife corridor ensures minimal disruption to animals like elephants and tigers. Subscribe for more videos on India's incredible infrastructure projects and check out our other videos on the Delhi-Mumbai Expressway and more.